Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Which personas can a Cisco IS node assume? Option A. Policy service, gatekeeping, and monitoring. Option B. Administration, monitoring, and gatekeeping. Option C. Administration, policy service, and monitoring. Option D. Administration, policy service, gatekeeping. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Administration, policy service, and monitoring. Question 2. What occurs when a Cisco IS distributed deployment has two nodes and the secondary node is deregistered? Option A. The secondary node restarts. Option B. The primary node restarts. Option C. Both nodes restart. Option D. The primary node becomes standalone. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. The primary node becomes standalone. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.